Let's explore today how we make an easy flower arrangement. I usually buy flowers so that there's variety of them, but today I just went to Costco because I want to do something for my friend, and there was only mixed flowers that didn't look that good, but these ones, these alstroemerias, they are really fresh. And how you see it because you can see that these flowers are not opened. And first we put the flower food that comes with the flowers. Okay, this is broken. So we mix that with water, and it's actually easier if you put the flower food before you put the water. So when pouring water, it can mix it. And I'm just gonna cut these to a length of this vase, and later I might be putting some greens to it, but let's see first how this works. So we start putting them on the sides and cutting them. You can cut them on floral knife, or the scissors are just faster. And I take these ugly looking leaves out. We don't want any ugly looking leaves there. And kind of measure where's the edge of this. Oops. And I already cut this one before or after I brought them home, before I started doing these arrangements or arrangement. I'm making only one. This could be even a little bit shorter. So I'm just gonna stick this in the middle. I love flowers and I love making arrangements. I was a floral designer for a long time, since 93, 94. I used to have my own flower shop, and that was a little bit too stressful. I didn't have enough help, and then I went to work in Palm Beach, and that was a great experience to make all those big beautiful arrangements, also for the houses or for the events, corporate flower arrangements, and we made also, of course, weddings. And we had a nice team. The owner was really nice, but I went there for a floral designer work, but after a while, after I realized that I'm doing as much as I did in my own business, and I was like, why am I doing this? So I went and changed the place and went just for a designer to another. Oops, now I broke it. So we can put it in some small vase, just like that. And I met there woman who was working in a private club, and then one day she calls me and says that we need somebody here. Would you like to come and take a look? And that's how I ended up there. And of course, everybody has these beautiful ideas of how it's easy and nice it is to be a floral designer, but it's really a lot of work. So I was there as long as 7 years I was there, and then I retired. And to be honest with you, I didn't do flowers for a couple years at all. It was too much, bringing all this stress back to me. So I tried to help one lady who had a event company, but then I even quit that because I wasn't in good shape. I was a little bit too stressed out, and I was sick all the time. So now I'm retired, and what's wonderful with this retirement, I can do these arrangements when I feel like, for my friends, and table arrangements for my own table. Okay, so this is very simple, and I'm gonna add here some grass coming out of it. I don't think it needs any other greens because there's all these green leaves in alstroemerias. So like and subscribe if you want me to do more of these videos, and I always give easy tips how you can become a flower designer for your own needs. So like here we just see how of course these are here now, so but anyway, you can see that it's round all around, and I hope this is helpful for you, or you get some tips. Have a great day. Bye.